There's too much missing and too many holes in this case to move forward with an execution.
The chance to hear new evidence in court for a death row inmate's case. It's one step closer to reality.
And for 2 years, Richard Glossop's attorneys have been fighting to get him off death row. A state lawmaker has also joined in.
Glossop was convicted in the death of Metro motel owner Barry Van Treese. This was back in 1997. For 25 years, Glossop is set on death row, and for the fourth time is scheduled to be executed in September. But now there are new developments in the quest to get Glossop off of death row. News 4's Caitlin Ogle spoke to Glossop's attorneys today. And Caitlin, what did you find out?
Well, Glossop's attorney is doing everything he can to save the death row inmate, who he claims is innocent. He recently filed paperwork so the courts could eventually get a look at what they say is new evidence. And in a move described as surprising, the court didn't deny the request.
The Oklahoma Court of Criminal Appeals rarely sets a briefing schedule like they did in this case.
Attorney Don Knight hopes he'll be able to show a judge new evidence in Richard Glossop's case.
There's too much missing and too many holes in this case to move forward with an execution.
State Representative Kevin McDougal also believes Glossop is innocent. He's working with Knight to spare Glossop's life. The case goes back to 1997 when Glossop and Justin Sneed were convicted of killing Glossop's boss, Barry Van Treese.
How do you tell your kids that they're never going to see their dad again?
Sneed got life in prison in return for testifying that Glossop hired him to kill Van Treese. Glossop was sentenced to death. Now his attorney says he's found new evidence to prove his client's innocence.
And those affidavits set forth a very different story than what Justin Sneed has told the police.
Earlier this year, a Texas law firm agreed to investigate the case for free. A 350-page report highlights flawed interrogations, lack of crime scene logs, and something else.
We have a box of evidence that's completely missing because the DA or the police, somebody, destroyed the evidence.
Now, Knight hopes a judge will allow him to show the new evidence at a hearing, eventually sending the case back to district court.
We'll basically have a chance to present our evidence and to cross-examine witnesses that are brought by the state as well. And that's how we get to the bottom of who's telling the truth and who isn't.
We reached out to Van Treese's widow, but haven't heard back. But in 2017, she told us she believed Glossop was responsible.
Without a doubt in my mind, they have who was responsible for masterminding it, who was responsible for covering it up afterwards, who was responsible for the actual crime.
And we reached out to the Attorney General's office, who told us A.G. O'Connor is aware of the court order, but right now can't comment.